So you are basically like residing in Canada.
Yes.
Okay. So you are preparing for this exam before also. This is the first time for general
No, for general, I appeared last year in July, I guess.
in
This
July.
is my this will be my second time.
Okay, it's your second time
Yeah.
now. You scored less at that time.
Yes. I mean, I did not score good in English. I mean, in writing section, I
Writing.
scored 6.5. So just to improve my CS score, I'm reappearing for it.
Hmm. Okay. Now, already you are aware of these
Yeah.
structures. Basically, there are four modules in this, right? Writing, reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So please maintain one register. Actually, two
Yes.
things play a very pivotal role in IELTS. First are your vocabulary words,
Mm-hmm.
and second are the strategies, the way how you apply. Okay, if you're good in these two things, then
Yes.
only you can get good scores in this. I think 8777 band is your
Okay.
desired score for the general,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Now see, let us start. You want me to start with the module first, reading or writing?
Writing would be good.
Writing. Okay. Now I'm
Mm.
everything I'm going to write in the chat option side by side. You have any notes section, any note register to copy the notes, anything?
Yeah, yeah, I have.
Okay. Now just understand how it is. Writing for your general PR is of 60 minutes. It's 1 hour of test
Yes.
and it comprises of two tasks. First is your letter writing, task 1. In this, the time allotted is 20 minutes. You will get 20 minutes for this. And here minimum word limit is 150 words.
150.
Please don't write less than 150. There are basically three kinds of letters. Any one can come in your exam. Formal letter. What is formal letter?
Mhm. Formal letter which we write to the person whom we don't know. I
A
guess.
formal letter is written to a person who is in some position, some authority to take the decisions, right? Like your bank
Yes.
manager, editor of a newspaper, manager of the company, any government official person. This is all under formal letter. What is
Okay.
informal?
I mean, informal we can write to our friend, our relatives,
Correct.
or to someone whom we know.
Cousins, siblings, right? And
Yes.
what is
Yes.
semi-formal?
Semi-formal is someone whom like if we write letter to our colleagues whom we know,
Correct. But
but
you're not too close
probably
relationship with that person, right? That is called
yes,
semi-formal. Like your colleagues, your neighbor, president of your society, your landlord, right?
yes,
Tutor of your child, the chemist, manager of your
yes.
own company. So these are all under semi-formal. Okay.
Semi-formal.
Now let us come to the task 2.
Hmm.
Task 2 is your essay writing.
Yes.
Here 40 minutes allotted time, and here minimum word limit is 250 words. Please don't write less than 250. Don't go beyond 250 words.
280.
Yes.
Okay.
There are basically opinion and non-opinion essays. Earlier you get which one in exams? Opinion or non-opinion one?
It was opinion one, I guess.
Opinion one. Hmm.
Discuss both ways, I guess.
Okay, discuss both
Not the
views
opinion.
and give your opinion. It must be this only,
Yes.
right? So in
Yes.
Canada only you had given the paper last this year you are saying?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Because in India, I gave it was the academic one.
Okay, that was I think study
Pre-academic.
visa you applied. So your hometown is from
I'm from UP, Uttar Pradesh.
UP.
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, in Rampur.
Hmm. So basically, we have opinion essays and non-opinion essays. In opinion essay, they will
Hmm.
give you one statement, and they will ask you whether you agree or whether you disagree with the statement, right? Now, as
Yes.
you know already, in essays we have two body paragraphs, right? Total we have four,
Yes.
but body paragraphs we have two in
What is
essays,
the
right? So if you're going for agree, then both the body paragraphs should go for agree only. Please choose one, either agree or
Okay.
disagree. Okay, from
Partially
starting
we
till
cannot, right?
yes, it should be one expect. Either go for agree for
Mhm.
both the paragraphs or disagree for both the paragraphs.
Okay.
I will teach you the structures and we will do the samples also. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Then we have non opinion essays. Under non opinion essays, we have basically four kinds. First is your problem solution essay. These, what I'm writing, these are all under non opinion categories. In this, they are going to give you one statement and they will ask you to write the problems and the solutions. So, in body para 1, you are writing problems, in the body para
Problem.
2, you are writing the solutions. And one thing more, for these non opinion
Yes.
essays, now please don't give your opinion until they mention in the question that give your opine
Okay.
or give your opinion. For opinion essay, so it is mandatory. We have to give it, right? Whether we are caught with a statement or
And
whether
in
we
opinion essays, we have to give our opinion in conclusion or in body paragraphs.
that I will teach you the structures. Opinion we give at two
Okay.
places.
Okay.
One
Okay.
in introduction, another in conclusion. In opinion
Okay.
essays, at two places you give your opinion. Okay, but I am just telling you
Okay.
for these
Okay.
non-opinion essays that please don't give your opinion until they mention in the question to give your opinion. Only then give your opinion, otherwise no need to give your opinion. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
then we have advantages and disadvantages. In this, they are going to give you one statement and they will ask you to write the merits and the demerits. So in BP1 you will write merits and
Mm-hmm.
BP2 demerits. Then we have
Okay.
advantages outweigh disadvantages.
Yes. Good.
What do you understand by outweigh? Outweigh means comparison, which is more than the other, which one surpass the
Outweigh
other.
means
Like there's a comparison, na,
yes.
which is more, which one outshine the other, right? Which one exceeds. Now, in rest of the essays, we have two body paragraphs, right? But in outweigh one, we will
Yes. Yes. Yes.
have three
Got
body
it.
paragraphs in outweigh essay.
Yes.
Body para 1 and body para 2 will be your strong side,
Mm-hmm.
body para 3 will be your
Yes.
weak side. It can be both. It depends on the spot, on the topic. Like while your exam, if you're reading the topic,
Okay.
if you have more merits in your mind, then BP1 and BP2 will be your merits and BP3 will be your demerits. If you have more demerits, then BP1,
Uh-huh.
BP2 demerits, BP3 merits. So it can be both the ways. There is no compulsion. Okay. Then we have discuss both views essays.
Merits.
In this, they are going to give
Okay.
you two views in the question.
Demerits.
Two views will be given to you.
And
So
then
you will write first view in
merits.
BP1 and second view in BP2. And it's a non-biased
Okay.
essay. Non-biased essay means we are going to write only the merits of both the views. No demerits. Only the positive side of both the views. This is a non-biased essay. Okay, Shubham?
Hmm.
Clear till here? Any doubts?